You can imagine this is what you have been talking about. This is sweet potato you can never forget. Huh? Nice. So welcome to our YouTube channel once again. This is Kataps, your boy. Today you can see we are trying to harvest our sweet potatoes. Those who are from Uganda, you know sweet potatoes, how they are nice. Those from anywhere in the world, we have our good sweet potatoes. These sweet potatoes take about 5 months to mature. However, these ones have been here for about 6 months and it's our harvest time. It's a very hard soil because it's the dry season, but our potatoes are doing well. So far so good. If you're a good sweet potato eater, this is enough for your meal. Like for me, I like sweet potatoes. I could eat this just in a single meal. I doubt if I can finish it. It's just to the joke. We have to use a lot of energy to get it out. Observe nicely, it's there. This is very good harvest. I love this. I love this. See, this is so beautiful. Okay, check this. It's a very nice one. Very nice one. Wow. This is what you have been talking about. This is sweet potato you can never forget. Huh? Nice. So, gentlemen, farming is good. Always farm. Never fail to farm. If you have land, farming becomes the best option.
Because I feel like it's better and sweeter when I have not peeled it. So I like it when it is originally done, cooked in a local way, now African tradition way. So for us at Taps Farm, we don't really cut our things or we don't peel our sweet potatoes. I just cut the bad parts like this. These bad parts here. And I leave it as big as it is. You taste it, you eat it, you enjoy it. This is bad. Sorry. Cut the bad part. enough for us, for just 2 of us. So keep the rest for the future or for tomorrow. If you want to cook your sweet potatoes, you first from the garden bring them home, you dry them a little. You want the sweeter ones. After they have dried a little, you just cut off the top and the bottom, maybe some spoiled parts. Put them in the saucepan, or maybe anywhere. I don't know if you wash from the basin, but usually it's the saucepan. You wash them, clean them very well. Then you use the banana leaves. Of course, these ones I keep them for my pigs, so I don't throw them away. Also my ducks, they eat this. So you wash these banana leaves, and you wash also the sweet potatoes. You put in the saucepan and you cook them. So now I am washing the sweet potatoes, and it's better you wash them thoroughly because you don't need to taste the sand. Maybe also the spoiled parts, you cut them off well. This one I peel it off. Yeah, it's better you rinse the potatoes twice because we believe cleanliness and hygiene is key in any farm or in any family. So if you eat them when they are dirty, be sure you won't enjoy them. I love this knife, eh? It's a really good one. Okay, it's time now to wash my So right now I want to wash my banana leaves. Just remove the dust because the dust doesn't taste well on any food. Proper village life. Everyone with a farm knows what I'm doing. So before you wash your banana leaves, you have to first remove this back part. This one in Uganda or in Uganda, we use them to be at the bottom of the saucepan, so that the saucepan does not, the sweet potatoes don't get burnt at the bottom. So you followed your leaf very well. After folding it, you wash it. Okay. So now our banana leaf is fully washed. These ones, they are called mizingonyo. They will be at the bottom of the saucepan so that they don't get, the sweet potatoes don't get stick on the bottom of the saucepan. So you cut small, put them there so that it's like a bridge for the potatoes to cross over. But how can you call them? They are just barriers for them not to get burnt. You can see how nicely arranged they are. They are very nicely arranged in. So you arrange them in a way that when you put the sweet potato, they also feel at home. So this is our farm life. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our farm life. Yeah. Right now, it's ready to be covered. So I put water, not much water. Yeah, I can see the water is not much. Usually I don't add on another because I usually put on a saucepan, but let me add one other leaf so that it is now clearly covered. You know, before they used to say that cooking is for just women in Africa. No. Even a man can cook, because what a man can do, a woman can do. If a man can build the house, a woman can. So I'm using a matchbox to light my fire. Yeah, it's not easy. It's our daily life. Yeah, this is gonna be fire now. Serious fire. Now right fire is now here. By the way, I've never tasted good food or better food than the food cooked by fire outside. Of course, when you cook with the fire, it goes slowly, does not get burnt. It's something that you enjoy, the food you enjoy. Wow, my fire is ready. Just maybe a second, then I put on my saucepan. I give it only 30 minutes and the food is ready. Fried potatoes, my best. So, before the fire is ready, I place on my saucepan and then I leave it cool, cook slowly.